Hello everyone, this is Dolly from JD Live. Today the product that I'm going to show is a gel nail sticker. This is from the brand Blanc and the products look like this. Their price is 11,000 Korean won. They are not much more expensive than other nail stickers. The price is quite similar and sometimes you can find discount. Using nail stickers is quite popular in Korea. And why this one is different than other nail stickers is because this one is made of gel. As you can see, it has 100% real gel effect, zero drying time, easy application, long-lasting and crystal shine. I have met some nail stickers before that was really hard to apply on and they were not so long-lasting either. After 1 week they felt off, but this one is not only easy to apply on, but it's also long-lasting. It lasts for about 3 or 4 weeks. I got this brochure also from the brand and you can read some tips and how to use. And here you can see that these stickers are made of 9 different layers. So as you can see, altogether you got a strong, shiny, gel-like nail sticker that will obviously last longer because they are stronger, and obviously they are more beautiful than a simple 1 or 2 layer nail sticker because it has more shine, it has more glitter in it. Now my nails are truly horrible, so I will show how to prepare to apply on these nail stickers and how to use them. The removal is also really easy. You just need to pour a little bit of nail polish remover and some water in a small cup, and you just put your fingers in it for 5 minutes. After your fingers soaked for a while, you can remove these stickers by just peeling them off. These nail stickers are really beautiful, really shiny, strong, long-lasting, and also after you remove them, you don't need to worry about any kind of damage because this peel-off system will not damage your nail beds. So if you have never tried nail stickers before but you are interested in them, or you have tried but they were not that good, I highly recommend this brand. Actually, this nail sticker was better than I expected. So who knows, maybe you will like it too. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye!